I've got to cut down this cabinet, and this staple is right where the saw blade's gonna run. I'm gonna try something really weird to remove it. So I'm gonna drive a screw in right next to it so the threads wrap around it. I'm gonna pull that out. Make sure I can still see the staple. Yep, it's right there. Hole right next to it. All right. Now I'm going to drive the screw through a scrap piece of, I think it's 3/8 plywood. Flip it over. And I'm going to grind the threads off of 3 sides of it. Now I'm going to put that back into the hole I made. Just enough so that it's engaged. And I'm going to hopefully pull the staple with it. It didn't work the first time. Let's try again. Minimal damage. Of course, it damaged the plywood a little bit, but gonna hammer that back down, put some glue in it. And I'm gonna cut it anyways. Then I can pry that staple right out. So that's interesting. Big staple. Try it out. Why not?